Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On the menu today we have this beautiful roast potatoes done in under 20 minutes. If you want to find out how I did this, stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So guys, for this recipe I'm going to be using my Ninja Foodi Max because I wanted this done really quickly. So I have roughly about 6 medium potatoes here, and I'm going to put it in my Ninja to pressure it for about 3 minutes. Now I'm using the guidelines that comes in the book. Now what I'm doing here is I'm adding just a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. I literally added about half a teaspoon of all 3 of these. Now I'm just gonna close the lid now using the pressure lid and pressure this for 3 minutes. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Now as you saw there, I pressured it on high. Now after your potatoes have finished pressuring, as you can see that, like normally when you do roast potatoes and you pre-boil it, this is what we like, the knife can go through it, but it's not cooked until it's really mashed out. Now I'm using my oil spray. If you want to use like maybe a tablespoon of your oil, then go ahead, but I'm using my oil spray. Now this is totally optional. I added a little bit of thyme and a little bit of rosemary to my potatoes. Now what I'm going to do from here is now use the crisping lid, and I'm going to air fry these. Now I'm going to do this for 15 minutes, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it halfway through. Now this is what my potatoes look like halfway through, so I'm just going to go ahead now and just try and turn them over. Now at the end of the 15 minutes, these are what your potatoes are looking like. Now if you like your potatoes a little bit more golden, you can go ahead and just air fry these for about another 2 to 3 minutes, but don't do it too much because then you tend to dry the potatoes out. And there you have it guys, my roast potatoes done in less than 20 minutes. They were so good. They were lit, they were moist, they weren't, sometimes you have that soggy potato. No. And I'm so happy because to be able to do this in under 20 minutes, it was like, yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for your girl, and I will catch you in the next video. And as usual, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Thanks again for watching. Bye.